Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add funds to vested accounts. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your contributions are made correctly and efficiently. This process is crucial for growing your investments and securing your financial future. Understanding the mechanics helps you take control of your savings. Let's dive into the details of making these important additions. The most common and direct way to add funds is through direct bank transfers. You can link your checking or savings account to your investment platform. This allows you to initiate one-time or recurring contributions. Many people choose to set up automatic transfers, perhaps $250 every 2 weeks, to build their savings consistently without extra effort. It's a simple and effective method. For employer-sponsored plans, payroll deductions are often the primary method. You instruct your employer to automatically deduct a specific amount or percentage, for example, 8% from each paycheck. These funds are then directly deposited into your vested retirement account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is highly effective for consistent, long-term savings growth. It simplifies the process significantly. Maintaining consistent contributions is key to long-term success. Whether through direct transfers or payroll deductions, regularity helps your investments grow steadily. It's also wise to review your contribution strategy at least once a year. Adjust amounts as your income or financial goals change. Remember, even small, consistent additions can make a significant difference over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.